Why is the fishbone diagram important? It is useful for associating and representing causes for an effect or problem in one diagram. It also helps you to structure a brainstorming session by segregating causes for an effect or problem under predetermined categories. With a fishbone diagram, you can avoid overlooking the possible root cause of an effect or problem by visually distinguishing the vital root cause from the identified many. When should the fishbone diagram be used? After data related to your continuous process improvement action has been collected, we use this tool to identify possible causes for an effect or a problem. We seek to keep the team focused on the causes of the problem rather than the symptoms, and to identify the root cause from the underlying reported symptoms. Top tips for building your own fishbone diagram. Use a flip chart or a large whiteboard to draw your fishbone diagram. Photograph it to enable sharing and to facilitate entering into the fishbone diagram template later. Use the 5 whys technique in conjunction with the fishbone diagram. Keep asking why until you get to the root cause. Use the fishbone diagram tool to keep the team focused on the causes of the problem rather than the symptoms. Encourage each person to participate in the brainstorming activity and to voice their own opinions. Make sure to leave enough space between the categories on the diagram so that you can continue to drill down to the root cause. Hold participants accountable and summarize the event, including actions and deliverables to take away.